Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's video, we will be adjusting our backbend using the sister sizes method, increasing or decreasing your band size. So let's start. You can do this by hand or your computer, it's the same. Grab your backbends and find the middle points on the center back of your pattern. Then divide that line in half and do a vertical line, so perpendicular to the horizontal line you have just created. Then use that vertical line that you have created to cut your backbends into two pieces, the left and the side piece. Then we will draw a vertical lines as a reference, separated between each other 2.5 centimeters. So 1 inch between them vertically. And we will align this horizontal line that we have reference and the point that we have on on the board that I've just drawn on the upper left side of my screen. And once you align the left side of your backbends and that middle point there, the horizontal line, I'm cleaning my design and removing the extra lines that I had there. When you align that to your first vertical line that you had on your board, you will then just need to place your right side of the backbend exactly aligned like if they were not cut between them. And then it's so simple. You just need to move your right side of the backbends to the right, so moving out away from the left side. And if you move it away to the right 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch, you will be increasing your size. If you would move it to the left, you would be decreasing. So in this case, I increased 2.5 centimeters. So I moved the right side to my right side, 2.5. And now I'm gonna redraw my upper edge and my lower edge just by combining the edge of my center back to my side seam. And then I select my 4 lines and I create a new pattern. And here it is. This is the bigger size bands made with the sister sizing method. Now I just move my right side backbend 5 centimeters, so the 2.5 that I had increased before, plus 2.5, retrace, reposition the lines that I had for the new pattern and select them again, and I have decreased by 1 size my backbend. And this is so simple, so it's the way that I recommend that you increase or decrease your backbends. You also have another option, which is just find your sister size on our size chart and print your sister size, so you can use the backbend already drawn by us. But it's up to you. And I think that's it for today, girls. Don't forget, if you have any questions, to let me know. See you soon. Bye. Of course, don't forget to label your new pattern pieces, so in the future you already know which sizes you make. And I'm gonna keep my video till the end so you can see that I'm doing another one, decreasing 1 size more than we had before and making it 2 times smaller than my original size. And now I'm ready to go. Bye, girls.